Hola muchachos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar del capítulo uno, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Y esto es parte 2, la segunda parte. Today we're going to talk about the verb gustar. The verb gustar means to like. Now let's see how we can use this. So the basic sentence right here is a mí me gusta blank, which means I like. It literally means it pleases me, but in English we don't say that. We say I like in English. This part at the beginning, the a mí, is optional. So with it or without it, it means the same thing. So you can say a mí me gusta or just me gusta. In here are going to go the verbs. All the verbos that we learned just yesterday, actually. So here I have a bunch of verbs that we did yesterday. I have patinar, pasar tiempo con amigos, bailar, jugar videojuegos, dibujar. So we're going to use this sentence we're just focusing on. And right there in the blank, we can plug in anything. So I could say, a mí me gusta pasar tiempo con amigos. I like to spend time with my friends. Or I could say, a mí me gusta bailar. I like to dance. A mí me gusta dibujar. I like to draw. And like I said before, I can get rid of this a mí, and it means the same thing. So I could also say, me gusta patinar. I like to skate. Or me gusta patinar sobre hielo, which, as we did last night, means to ice skate, so we'll put some blades on. Right? And so you guys get the idea. We're just filling this blank with any verbs that we know. So we've done a bunch of them so far, and all of them can work right in there. Okay? Now, another important phrase, besides me gusta, to know, is te gusta, or a ti te gusta. And this same exact thing, all we're changing here is the a ti and te. It means you like. And just like before, this part here is optional. And aquí vamos a poner los verbos. Entonces, a ti te gusta usar la computadora. You like to use the computer. Or a ti te gusta nadar. You like to swim. And just like before, I can always take out this a ti and just keep saying it. A te gusta ver la tele. You like to watch TV. Or te gusta ver la televisión. Remember that both are fine. Tele is just short for televisión. And of course, trabajar, to work. You can plug that in there too. Any of the things that we've done so far. Now, something else I can do, I'll put this back the way it was, is I could also throw some question marks in here. And boom, we have a question. ¿A ti te gusta ver la televisión? Now instead of saying, you like to watch TV, I'm saying, do you like to watch TV? And we're going to jump into that right now. So we got the two basic sentences. A mí me gusta y a ti te gusta. Now let's talk about las preguntas. So the name of the chapter, ¿qué te gusta hacer? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Hacer means to do. So literally, what do you like to do? And you could say anything. So this girl says, la chica dice, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Y dice, a mí me gusta correr. O también puedes decir, me gusta correr. Same thing. Or he could say, me gusta jugar videojuegos. Or he could say, me gusta bailar, me gusta cantar. You get the idea. Anything's fine, right? And then he's going to ask her back. He's going to be polite, ask her back. And the question now is, ¿y a ti? Not ¿y tú like before? ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? This is ¿y a ti? And she's going to answer back, me gusta pasar tiempo con mis amigos. Perfecto. Or, maybe she's having a bad day. She's being a little negative here. She is not in a good mood. And so she is not going to be positive right now. She's going to be negative. So maybe he says, y a ti, and then she's going to say, no me gusta dibujar. I don't like to draw. She wants to say something negative. And you see how we just threw this no in here. And me gusta means I like. But if we add the no onto the front, no me gusta, it's not going to be positive anymore. It's going to be negative. I don't like. And as always, the a mí no me gusta or no me gusta dibujar, same exact thing. Always optional. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Quick review and a couple new words, but pretty much you have all the major concepts. So again, to say you like something, a mí me gusta blank. Aquí es el verbo. Aquí es el verbo. For example, a mí me gusta practicar deportes. Love that. I love to play sports. I like to practice sports. But no me gusta, a mí no me gusta escuchar música. I don't like to listen to music. So we have those done already. We have the no in here to make this negative. A couple new phrases. What if you love something? You don't smile. You grin like this guy. You love it. You're going to add the word mucho. A mí me gusta mucho. Plus, 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 plus. Really like. A mí me gusta mucho cantar. Love to sing. So this is I really like, or it's almost like I love. I really, really like it. And likewise, what if you really don't like something? Like I don't like music. No me gusta escuchar música. But I really don't like something. I could say, a mí no me gusta nada montar en bicicleta. Just the idea of riding a bike makes me sick. Not really, but good. So there are 4 great sentences. And those are the basic phrases. And just to, again, the questions. The ¿qué te gusta hacer? Is an open-ended question. ¿Qué? So it needs you to fill it in. You can't just say sí or no. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? You could say, a mí me gusta bailar. A mí me gusta dibujar. A mí me gusta ver la tele y usar la computadora. Whatever. And there's also a simpler question, which I foreshadowed earlier, when you're going to ask a specific thing. For example, not what do you like to do in general, like in this question. This one's very specific. ¿Te gusta practicar deportes? I'm not asking if you like to draw or dance, watch TV, or use the computer. I'm specifically asking, do you like to practice sports? And there's obviously 2 answers. Sí, me gusta practicar deportes, or no, no me gusta practicar deportes would be the negative. That's all I have for you guys tonight. Definitely make sure you take good notes. We'll be practicing this tomorrow and probably next 2 days or 3 days in class to make sure you really get it. At the bottom of your notes, which you're taking, please make sure to write down any questions. And as always, if there's a verb that you want to know, a new activity, something that you really like or really hate, just ask me tomorrow, como se dice, and I'll be happy to tell you. Buenas noches. Ciao.